Time check. It's 1:41 and later on, mga around 3 mag-apit fun run guys sa Barangay Limao. So, dili tayo mag-sleep. Actually guys, nakala Darwin ka rin. Nagtambay lang. We hate this city. You and the internet. Hi everyone. Good morning everyone. Assemble. Warm up. Let's go. Oh guys. Guys, sa dulong pa lang ni sila pabalik na. Oh my god, they are very well trained. Let's go guys! Malag dito, mauna nga, basta mahuma na tayo sa 7K. Oh, kapower! Kapower, gabi! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Yes! Reach 2 km. This is discovery. Let's go! 3. Yan proper mag-jogging. Oh. Ngay. May nagsugo nga eh. Balik! Where's it? Ayun. Ayun ako. Pwede mong magpapabalik. Ikaw nga eh. Alam mo yung stand. Sa 45, change ko na lang upo niyo. Steve yarn? Pabalik na sila no? Kita. Let's go. Oh my god. Imagine guys, mag-jogging kaya na yung view. Okay, view guys. Another uphill. Oh my god, so tiring. Let's go guys. Let's go. 5 km. 2 km left to go. Another uphill guys. Oh my god. We're almost there. Kaya nga, hapit na kay. Pildi ang mula ka. Naman-jogging yan mo. Last one. We're almost there. Kita na akong green na flag. Green na flag. Let's go. We made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Wait lang. Hey guys, kay. Of course. 26. Okay, 1 hour. Ay na lang. Okay. Sa dulong pango ba na ka nag-award na?